Plumbing fixtures. A plumbing fixture is an exchangeable device which can be connected to an existing plumbing system to deliver and drain away water, but which is also configured to enable a particular use. Most common plumbing fixtures: bathtubs, bidets, channel drains, also called trench drains, drinking fountains, hose bibs, connections for water hoses, kitchen sinks, lavatories, also called bathroom sinks, showers, tapware, an industry term for that subcategory of plumbing fixtures consisting of tap valves, also called water taps or faucets, and their accessories, such as water spouts and shower heads. Terminal valves for dishwashers, ice makers, humidifiers. Urinals, utility sinks, water closets, known as toilets in the USA, loose flush toilets or lavatories in Britain. Outlets and drains. Each of these plumbing fixtures has one or more water outlets and a drain. In some cases, the drain has a device that can be manipulated to block the drain to fill the basin of the fixture. Each fixture also has a flood rim, or level at which water will begin to overflow. Most fixtures also have an overflow, which is a conduit for water to drain away when the regular drain is plugged before the water actually overflows at the flood rim level. However, water closets and showers that are not in bathtubs usually lack this feature because their drains normally cannot be stopped. Each fixture usually has a characteristic means of connection. Normal plumbing practice is to install a valve on each water supply line before the fixture, and this is most commonly termed a stop or service valve. The water supply to some fixtures is called water only, such as water closets and urinals. Most fixtures also have a hot water supply. In some occasional cases, a sink may have both a potable, drinkable, and non-potable water supply. Traps and vents. This drain cover has a container underneath which can be taken out for cleaning and revealing another container below, acting as a trap. Water inside the container forms a seal when the cover is in place. Positive air pressure will push the cover up, acting as an early warning device. The underside of the cover, the center image, is kept moist by condensation occurring, and insects that go back up the drain pipe get stuck to the walls of the cover. All plumbing fixtures have traps in their drains. These traps are either internal or external to the fixtures. Traps are pipes which curve down then back up. They trap a small amount of water to create a water seal between the ambient airspace and the inside of the drain system. This prevents sewer gas from entering buildings. Most water closets, bidets, and many urinals have the trap integral with the fixture itself. The visible water surface in a toilet is the top of the trap's water seal. Each fixture drain, with exceptions, must be vented so that negative air pressure in the drain cannot siphon the trap dry. To prevent positive air pressure in the sewer from forcing gases past the water seal and to prevent explosive sewer gas buildup. If there is a removable strainer device that fits into the fixed strainer, it is termed a strainer basket. The initial pipe that leads from the strainer to the trap is termed the tailpiece. Floor-mounted water closets seal to the toilet flange of the drain pipe by means of a wax ring. These are traditionally made out of beeswax. However, their proper sealing depends on proper seating of the water closet, on a firm and secure base, and on proper installation of the closet bolts, which secure the closet to the flange, which is in turn supposed to be securely fastened to the floor. The plastic drain. The PEX